This is the eZee ehub motor. Comes out of that hub right here. Comes out here. Wire comes out here. Passes down here. And here we have I have some leftover Andersons because this thing is blue, green, and then we have yellow, but I had to use red. And that thing, these are the phase wires. I use some Andersons, and that's in an L shape. You see that in L, capital L. And then coming down here, this thing, which I ordered right here, this is the Grin Adapter from Anderson to L10, but this is female. And the crazy thing here is this is male. And look at this right here. This is also male. And that's not gonna fit two males, and this is already tight as hell. This housing unit, which keeps out the elements. And anyway, bottom point, you know, JST-SM 5-pin 5 male. JST 5-pin 5 male. This thing only has one pin in it, but that's a thermistor. I don't really use that. Okay, so that's issue 1, JST-SM, male, 5-pin male. And then we have this L10 female. And let's see here, that's the old Anderson. We don't really worry about that. And let's see here. Here we have the new controller, the L10 baserunner. It's in this cavity. And this is what comes out. Wait, what comes out? That's the old stuff. And the new stuff, it comes out right here. New stuff comes out right here. What on earth? A female. An L10 female. And we have here an L10 female. Man. What to do?